हाय गाइस, यू आर वाचिंग शर्मा जी की बेटी एंड आई एम शर्मा जी की बेटी प्रियंका। आज की वीडियो में वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट न्यू ब्यूटी लॉन्चेस स्पेशली इन द अफोर्डेबल कैटेगरी बिकॉज आई फील लाइक रिसेंटली मैं जितना यूट्यूब देखती हूँ और जितने ब्यूटी ब्लॉगर्स को देखती हूँ तो अफोर्डेबल सेगमेंट कहीं ना कहीं गुम हो गया है. सो आई थॉट वाई नॉट फिल दैट गैप एंड टॉक अबाउट द लेटेस्ट लॉन्चेस इन द ब्यूटी स्पेस. वैसे अगर बात की जाए तो आज इंडिपेंडेंस डे है एंड इस बार अगर आप देखो पूरी कंट्री में ही इतना सैड माहौल है एंड जस्टिफाइबली सो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट टेक अ ब्रेक from everything and talk about something that we love, something positive, and that is makeup. So let's go. Right, so the first thing that I'll be using is this moisturizer by Quench. This is the ultralight gel moisturizer and आप believe नहीं करोगे मैं genuinely इसको बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करती हूँ and almost आधा ख़त्म हो चुका है. I have tubs of it because I feel like ये मतलब दिखता तो जेल जैसा है but once you like rub it into your skin and your face it literally melts like water and मुझे ऐसा लगता नहीं है कि मैंने कुछ लगाया है. इट्स सो लाइक इजी टू ब्लेंड एंड जस्ट योर स्किन genuinely feels hydrated and soft after applying this. So I love this moisturizer. क्वेंच की प्रोडक्ट्स मुझे जनरली बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. लाइक इसको पहले मैंने इनका मेकअप रिमूवर जो क्लेंजिंग बाम है वो भी यूज़ की हुई है एंड आई जेन्युइनली लाइक्ड इट. That's one brand that I do approve and I love. ऐसा तो हो गया है. अब प्राइमर की बात करते हैं. प्राइमर में I have this one by Hilary Rhoda and Hilary Rhoda मैं पहले जब लिया था ये इसके कुछ products I think I bought a lipstick from them. It was very drying and I think उनकी packaging भी काफ़ी मतलब ऐसी सी थी. But recently they have revamped everything and I have somehow landed up with a lot of products from them which look promising and are affordable. So the first thing is this Here to Blur primer. मैंने ये I think सिर्फ एक या दो बार ट्राई किया है. As I apply it, it does feel very smooth. Like here I have a few pores but when I touch it now after applying the primer it does feel very like a smooth surface for your makeup to go on. I think if you're looking for like a very like sticky primer that sticks everything, that this is not it. But if you're looking for a primer that will smooth out everything, then you can go for this. उसके बाद बात करते हैं फाउंडेशन की. फाउंडेशन का मैंने हिलरी रोडा का भी फाउंडेशन ट्राई किया था एंड इसके साथ साथ आई ऑल्सो गॉट माई हैंड्स ऑन स्विस ब्यूटी का ये फाउंडेशन. हिलरी रोडा का जो फाउंडेशन था उसका कलर मैच मेरा नहीं था तो आई गिव इट टू अ फ्रेंड. बट दिस वन आई डू हैव. दिस इज़ द स्विस ब्यूटी प्राइमर मूव्स फाउंडेशन. It says it has a velvety touch and I can affirm that it has a velvety touch. So let's apply this. इसकी पैकेजिंग भी काफ़ी सुंदर है. As you can see it has this glass cap on top of it and this is in the shade 04 Natural Nude. आप बोलोगे ये हाथ से क्यों मेकअप लगा रही बिकॉज आई जेन्युइनली लाइक प्रेफर डूइंग मेकअप विद माई हैंड्स. इट्स जस्ट आई फील ऑन द गो. इट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग्स यू कैन डू बिकॉज ब्रशेज एंड जो आपके ब्लेंडर्स होते हैं उससे मुझे उतना ज़्यादा कवरेज नहीं लगता कि मिलता है नेचुरल जितना आपके हाथों से मिलता है. सो that's what the foundation looks like on. Concealer की बात की जाए तो I have this one by Juicy Chemistry and that's what it looks like. It comes in a pencil form. As you can see I've used it quite a bit. So I will use this sharpener. This is by Bronson Professional. That's what it looks like. So let's apply the concealer. काफ़ी smooth है ये. But the only thing is you have to make sure that you have the product on top because अगर पेंसिल वाला साइड यूज़ करोगे यू माइट हर्ट योर सेल्फ, यू माइट स्क्रैच योर सेल्फ, बिकॉज पेंसिल है, वुडन पेंसिल है. दैट्स द ओनली कंसर्न दैट आई फेल्ट. Otherwise it blends in very smoothly. Like I really like this. And that's Chloe shouting in the background because that's what she does. She just wants to be with me all the time. उसको है बस दूर मत जाओ मुझसे. And she has this habit of licking my entire face. I know sounds gross, but that's her way of expressing love. She's a clingy dog and I don't mind it because she's super cute. And 6 महीने हो गए उसको आए हुए. Why am I giving this update? Because that's a part of my life, in case you're interested. The concealer is done, and because this is like in this texture, इससे ज़्यादा creasing नहीं होती है. Is in a creamy matte finish and the color Husk CO01. In case you are around my color tone, is one loose powder that me and my mom have been loving. This is by Swiss Beauty and it comes with a puffer like this. इसके लिए you have to open इसका ऊपर वाला part. 1 second. Yeah, and that's how the product comes out. You take a थोड़ा सा and then you puff everything. So I'm gonna puff it under my eye a little bit, just to set everything, and a little bit around my lip. That's it. We'll close it and everything just set. I like this compact powder a lot, and especially because affordable range में है, so you can shop guilt free. करते हैं ये plum काजल की. I will not like apply this kajal, but I'll show it to you here. Like, one, it's so smooth, it's so black, and why I'm talking about this kajal is because like it claimed that it does not smudge, it does not budge, do anything, it's waterproof, this, that, and it's actually true. Like I wore this a couple of times to my office and you won't believe, like बहुत बार ऐसा होता है व्हेन यू अप्लाई योर काजल, कुछ घंटों बाद आपकी आंखें ऐसे लगती हैं, ऐसे पता नहीं क्या हो गया, कौन सी सुनामी आ गई. बट इट लिटरली वॉज देयर एंड इट डिड नॉट मेक मी लुक लाइक अ भूत. एंड इवन इफ लाइक आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग शिफ्ट इट डज फेड अवे. ये नहीं होता कि आपके पूरे फेस पर फैल जाए, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई लाइक दिस काजल. ये मैंने हिलेरी रोडा का भी ट्राई किया काजल. दिस इज़ द अल्ट्रा ब्लैक काजल, एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट this is another kajal that I really like because this was also so smooth to apply. ये मैं आपको नीचे दिखाती हूँ. See, I think this is in shade wise little blacker than plum, but this is so smooth. Hilary Rhoda, both are one of my favorite kajals at the moment and I'm loving them. Shadow की बात करूँ तो I have this one by Hilary Rhoda. This is a 16 color shadow palette. So if you are looking for like very colorful eyeshadow palette, this might be it because this literally has every color. So maroon, pink, purple, blue, orange, green, literally like here's a rainbow. In case you are interested in creating colorful eye looks. मैं personally like natural makeup की तरफ drawn होती हूँ, but if you want to like experiment once in a while, this is very good because you have every color in here. This is for 299 rupees guys. 300 में you get all of these colors. Let me try to swatch them a little bit. Let's try purple. Let's try blue, and what else? I think we should try like a shimmery color. Let's try golden. I love playing with makeup. Look at that. How do I show it to you? Wait a minute. That's how it looks. काफी कलरफुल है यार. So I like it. Chalky hair, but I think it is quite colorful, and for the price that you are paying, thumbs up. बात करते हैं ये वाली स्विस ब्यूटी सिलेक्ट का पैलेट. इसमें ना माई प्रॉब्लम वॉज दैट शिमर्स मुझे इतने ज़्यादा शो नहीं हुए. लाइक आई यूज्ड these two, and for some reason it just didn't pop out that much to me. I liked the matte ones, but shimmers में मुझे ऐसा लगा कि यार कुछ ना कमी रह गई. So if you like to create natural looks, I like the mattes, but I don't like the shadows, even though they look very pretty on the palette. It didn't really pop out for me. And talking about pop, there was a sale on Nykaa, and there has been a lot of sales online. So I got my hands on the ColourPop eyeshadows, because again, like, I got this palette, the brand sent me this palette, but I just felt like no matter how many eyeshadows I was trying, there was not one like really nice smooth application glitter eyeshadow that I would reach out for, and that is why I got my hands on these two. एक है Ritz color में और दूसरा है Frog color में. So I am really tempted to try these. Let's try it out. See, that's how the matte shade looks like. Let me just apply it here, because I am thinking of applying Frog on top of this. Why I am including ColourPop in the affordable eyeshadow range is because even though one shadow is for like 800 rupees, yeah, 800 rupees, abhi sale par I got it for 700 rupees, and 700 rupees में भी buy one get one offer चल रहा था, तो 350 रुपये का मुझे एक आई शेडो पैलेट पड़ा. एंड कंसिडरिंग हाउ लाइक गुड दे आर, आई फील लाइक यू कैन गो फॉर colors like this. So I've applied one like very basic base shadow from this Swiss Beauty palette, and now I will apply ColourPop in the shade Frog. Let me just show it to you. Look, it's so bright and colorful. My heart. जब ColourPop इंडिया में आया भी नहीं था, I was like, listen, one day I'm gonna go to US and I'm gonna shop my heart out, and one of the first things I will get is ColourPop eyeshadow. Because when I tried when I used to watch YouTube videos of like foreign YouTubers and beauty bloggers, they would always talk about ColourPop, and I was like, one day I'm gonna get this. So finally I have it, because it's in India, and I found this at a very affordable range. That's what the Frog shade looks like. Let's apply this on. Look, I hope you can see the shadow, because मेरे सामने ना भी कोई मिरर या कुछ भी नहीं है, मैं उड़ता तीर रह रही हूँ. तो I hope that you guys like what you're seeing. That's what the eyeshadow looks like. It's also like a no mirror makeup challenge. So yeah, that's what the eyeshadow looks like. I hope you're liking it, because I don't have a mirror in front of me. Cheek tints from Just Herbs. इसमें I have 3 shades. One is tangy orange, one is soft pink, and one is warm violet. इसमें ना soft pink I tried, but it doesn't really show up. Like, even though I'm a fair skin tone, I don't know, like, it didn't come across as a blushy blush. Somehow it just vanishes. I can't see the color. I can't see the color on me. मेरे से dark को तो क्या ही मतलब दिखेगा. So I prefer these 2 shades, either warm violet or tangy orange. Let's try warm violet as my blush today. Okay, so that's what it looks like in pan. You can use it on your cheeks, lips, eyeshadow, as an eyeshadow, and it's very like on the go. So if you are going to like anywhere, you can just apply this and be good to go. I hope the shade is visible. मैंने क्योंकि अपना थोड़ा मैट कर लिया है फेस विद पाउडर एंड एवरीथिंग, इवन तो मैंने सिर्फ आंखों के नीचे लगाया था, बट आई डू फील लाइक माई फेस इज़ क्वाइट मैट टुडे. ब्यूटी का आईलाइनर, मुझे इसका कलर बहुत अच्छा लगा. दिस इज़ द होलोग्राफिक आईलाइनर, बट आई हैव वन प्रॉब्लम विद दिस. ये आईलाइनर इतनी आसानी से टूट जाता है. लाइक इफ़ आई यूज़ इट थोड़ा सा भी ऊपर and I apply it, it will literally break because it's so like light. So you have to be careful of that. Otherwise, I really like the color shift that it provides. I'll show it to you here. That's what it looks like. It's in a green color, but it also has like a blue reflex. Let me try to do this since I am doing it. मुझे नहीं पता कि कितने अच्छे से लग रहा है, कितने अच्छे से नहीं लग रहा है. Let me just go and fix the eyeliner. Alright, I'm back and I realized कि मेरी एक आँख पे काला पॉप का आई शैडो कुछ ज़्यादा ही पॉप कर रहा था. So I blended it out and I applied the eyeliner and that's what it looks like. थोड़ा सा smudge कर दिया so that it doesn't become very glittery, and the blush has also been blended out. So that's what it looks like on. And yeah, moving on to lips. मेरे पास बहुत सारे lip products हैं try out करने के लिए. Like literally I have so many. One product, lip product that I have been loving is not in the very affordable category because it is the Laneige lip sleeping mask. Why I am mentioning this is because I have been loving it. मैं I think इसको 599 का लिया था स्टोर से, something around that price range. But if you have chapped lips, if you bite your lips, so this is something that you can apply before going to bed, and trust me, you will feel this even in the morning. It literally heals your lips. So I have been using this quite a lot, and trust me, this is one of the best lip balms or lip masks there are out there in the market. I'm not kidding. I have tried so many lip balms, so many things. Like I love lipsticks, and when I say that I love this, I absolutely love this because there's nothing more moisturizing than this in the Indian market. So if you are looking for something that will heal your lips, then you should go for the Laneige lip sleeping mask. अगर आपको इतना heavy lip balm नहीं चाहिए, you can just apply a thin layer of this during the day, or at night when you want to heal it, then you apply a significant amount. But थोड़े में भी काम चल जाता है. That's what I'm meaning to say here. मतलब ये डब्बा I think it will last me more than 6 months. So I think that this is an investment and affordable in if you think of it. मतलब lip sleeping mask आपको काफ़ी टाइम चल सकता है. The lipstick part. पहला ब्रांड जो मेरे पास है, this is Shreyan Cosmetics. This is a new launch in the market, and this is their non-transfer lipstick. The first shade is Grapefruit, and let me just show you. That's what the shade looks like. It is a nice red color and काफ़ी creamy lipsticks हैं. Shade is Cherry Cola. That's what the shade looks like. It is like cola, the name suggests. And yeah, so Grapefruit is more in the red category, and this one is more a little dark. Like if you are going for a night out and if you are looking for a dark lipsticks that will just be like a statement lip, this is going to be a bed. Two lipsticks from Swiss Beauty. These are their Stay On Lip Color Crayon. The first one is in the color Mauve On. Let me show it to you. Where should I show it to you? Okay, let me show it to you here. Mauve On. This is a very like natural shade and you can use this on a daily basis. This is a very poppy color in the shade Pink Up. So clearly not in my zone, but these lipsticks are very creamy and they're very soft and they're very comfortable on the lips. These are not like these are not like liquid matte lipsticks that will dry out your lips. Talking about that, I have one. It is their Here to Stay lipstick. Very beautiful shade, but also drying, so you need to use like a lip balm underneath so that it does not dry out your lips. That's what the shade looks like, if you can see. And one more thing that I didn't like about this was that ये ना बीच से फेड होती है. So after you apply this, you go out. After some time you realize that जब आपने खाना वाना खा लिया है, ऑयली खाना भी होता है, it fades from the middle. It does not fade overall. And काफ़ी जल्दी ड्राई हो जाता है. It does not transfer and it is kiss proof. मेरी रोडा से मेरे पास काफ़ी सारे लिप प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. सबसे पहले तो आई हैव दिस लिप क्रेयॉन विच इज़ दैट 12-hour long stay lip crayon. This is in the shade Soft Rose. Let me try. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. It is like quite soft on your lips. It's not very drying. It's very comfortable formula. It says it's hydrating and smooth and that's what it is. उसके बाद I have this one. This is their, what is this? Non-transfer lipstick. This is in the shade orange and काफ़ी orange है, vibrant है. So if you prefer that, then this can be your bet. That's what it looks like. I've been loving is this one by Etude House. ये 499 I think 940 ही है, but I got this when it was on 1+1 sale, so again quite affordable. इसके साथ I again got another shade with me. This one is Midnight Mauve and looks very pretty when you apply this. I'm gonna show you. It is one of the most hydrating lip tints that I've used. It does not feel like I'm wearing anything on my lips, and that's why I love to wear it at work. And it's like very like my lips but better shade. I also swatched on my shots, so if you don't want to watch the other shade, you can go to my shots and see. But I love these. 950 rupees, but if you get it 1+1, go for it. I love it. Last thing that I have with me are these glosses by Hilary Doda. It's priced at 199 rupees and I think they are yet to launch and will be launching soon. One is in the shade Sweet Maple and another one is in Plumalicious. Plumalicious is more a pinky reddish gloss. I'll show it to you. That's Plumalicious. And the other one is Sweet Maple, which is in a brown gloss. Now these are touted as Maybelline के जो glosses हैं उनका dupe, and I would agree, like their packaging was almost similar. And let's just apply this. कौन सा apply करें? Let's apply brown. So that's what it opens like, and that's what the applicator looks like. These are not sticky, have a fragrance, but tolerable fragrance, and I feel like they plump up my lips. I know मतलब वो बहुत tall claim है, but I do feel like they kind of plump up my lips. They do not tingle, which is a good thing. So if you're looking for like a glowy lip gloss, these might be your bet because they are just for 199 rupees. So a yay from my end. I like these glosses. इसकी जो fragrance है, it's more like bubble gum. So if you don't mind the fragrance, you can go for these. That's what it looks like. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any criticism, any comments, make sure to let me know in the comment section down below. And if you have any suggestions that I should make videos on, then please feel free to let me know in the comment section. I will go through each and every comment, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye.